In this session, we are going to look at how to consolidate data from multiple sheet to single sheet. So in this case, I have 3 tabs. In all the 3 tabs, I have a data with the same format and also same header field. So when you consolidate data, please ensure so your data fields are common across all the tabs. In this case, I have my data tabs and header all are in the same format. So now go to data, get data from other sources, blank query. So this is the first step. So this is the query 1. So you can give name also for the query. So I'll say console. And this is the formula tab. Equal. Start with Excel dot current workbook. The first option. This is nothing but whatever workbook we are working. So I want information only from that particular file. Enter. So now here you got 3 tables: east, west, north. Okay, so to expand that, if you see above the content, so there is the arrow mark which is going left and right. So this is nothing but you have to expand. Also, I'll just remove this tick box. So this is nothing but use original column as a prefix. So I want to use the original column, so I don't want this. So now I got the complete data here. So here you can see month, country, brand, product, quantity, sales, and also the sheets which we are picking the information. So I'm picking information from the 3 sheets. So now let's close the query. Close and load it. So it will automatically create a new sheet. So now here you can see the data. So we got almost 3000 line. So each tab I have 1000 line. So you can see here I have 1000 lines in each tab. So here also 1000 line, and then here also 1000 lines. So it automatically consolidated everything and gave it in the one tab. Assume in future I'm going to add one more tab. Okay, so let's add one more tab here. South. I'll pick the same data from this tab and I'll paste it here. Let's go here, insert. I'll change to table format. I'll keep the name, table name as South. Okay, so now I'll increase the size a bit. So now I have South. So let's refresh. Let's see what is coming. Right click, refresh, or you can go to data, refresh. Both will work. We'll go to refresh all. So now the data size went up to 7000. I added only one tab, but if you see the line got included. So what is that? Let me go to column G and see. So here I newly included South. So that is 1000 line item. But there is another column included automatically, that is console. That is our query tab. So whatever data available in this sheet, so that is also got included. So I don't want that. So let me go to query, edit. So in the edit, just go to filter, show all. Remove the console because I don't want, so that's the place I am doing the consolidation. So remove that, press OK. So now save and close. Okay, so now if you see, I got this. See, in case if I'm adding extra data here, so let's add another 1000 line extra here in all the tab. I'm adding just a copy paste of the same data. I'm creating another addition in the bottom. Okay, I'll change the sheet. So now let's refresh. Right click, refresh. So now you can see it's become 8000 line because each tab I have 2000 line. So this is the very easiest way to consolidate data in case if you have in the multiple sheet. So currently we have consolidated data, the data which are in the table format. We also look at how to consolidate data in case if I have the data in the normal data structure or normal format without any formatting, without any tables. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.